Good morning, everybody. Brandon with Burnt's Lawn Care. Thanks for tuning in again. Me and Renee are on another spring cleanup here in Walpole, Massachusetts. Let me show you what we got going on today. This is the front yard right here. We put this lawn in last year. Came in pretty nice. Still gonna need some overseeding again in the fall. But today's plan in the front yard is blow out the beds, get everything clean on the lawn, get all the sticks out of here. Let me take it to the backyard. Got some leaves in the walkway here going to the backyard. We're gonna blow all these beds out here, going around the pool area. We did a fall cleanup here and we got most of the heavy out. So the spring cleanup shouldn't be too bad. Yeah, some typical leaves back here. We're gonna blow all that out too. Blow out these beds. Blow down the walkway here. Blow all this out here. Clean up the lawn. This is another bed over here. We're gonna blow that out too. So we got some work to do. We put all this mulch in last year. That was a big job. Got some sticks to pick up. So that's basically it for this property. I think we'll be here 3-4 hours. We should be able to get this property done in about 3 to 4 hours. So we got a lot to do today. I'm gonna take you guys with us. Let's get cracking.
I usually like the dry stuff, but this is all we have. It doesn't get...
Gotta put the bug spray on or else you get eaten alive out here.
Dry stuff doesn't get...
Me down good. finished product. Came out nice. Nice and clean. We're gonna come back next week to do some fert. And maybe I'll even dethatch some areas. But this one's a wrap. We'll see you on the next property. All right, we're pulling up to our last job now. We've gotten a bunch of lawn mowing accounts done today, which had to get done. And we've done a decent sized cleanup. And now we're pulling up to our last cleanup of the day. It's a small one. It's not a whole lot going on. But we only got a couple hours of sunlight left, so we're thinking we can bang it out. So let me show you what we got going on.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. We'll see you around. Bye. So, we're at our last cleanup of the day. Got a couple hours of sunlight left. And we're on one of my favorite streets. It's actually Burnt Drive. It's named after me, or my family. My grandfather developed all this land and all these houses here. He built most of them. And we picked up another client on this road. So today we're gonna give him a spring cleanup, edges lawn, some sticks to pick up, nothing crazy. Edge this front, and then we'll be out of here. Small lot. It's clean for the most part. Small cleanup. The guy he had plowing went a little crazy with the plow over here. Okay. Huh. Not bad, huh?
No, so the wind is really picking up again because we have a storm coming in tonight. So I honestly think we're gonna rake some of the stuff right out into the lawn and suck it up with the walker rather than get the leaf blower out on this one.
I was thinking about using a stander on this one.
Oh, we can do that too. I just think minimal blowing though, because the wind is really starting to pick up. I mean, obviously in the rock that we have to, but
You mind if I mow this one?
no, that's fine.
Okay. Let's just pick up the sticks first.
You don't think I should pick up the debris though with the walker and then you can mow it? Because I mean, there is some debris.
What the hell's that thing? Oh, it's a cat.
It's a cat.
Okay. Well, let's pick the sticks up first.
Yeah.
All right, so we're just gonna pick up the sticks. Get those out of the lawn. All right, so we got the sticks up. I'm gonna comb over it with the walker now. Okay, I want to get the shot before the sun goes down for good. We only got like 45 minutes left of sunlight. But here it is, all striped up with the walker. It came out nice. Very happy with it. Let me show you the side yard here. Nice. All right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to edge the front of the lawn. That'll really make it pop. So just a little information on my grandfather. He was one of the hardest workers I've ever met. He worked until he was almost 90 years old. He was a contractor. He built many houses in the Attleboro area. That's where we were today to wrap up our day. And he was just awesome. He ended up passing away at 95 years old. He passed away, what, 3 years ago, Renee? 4 years ago?
I think it was 4 years ago because it was before we had Brandon.
Yeah, he passed away about 4 years ago. And I hope that me and Renee made him proud today, working on Burnt Drive. You know, I would think that he'd be very proud of us. So I just wanted to let you guys know, give you a little information on who my grandfather was. He was someone that I always look up to. And he was just an awesome man. And my grandmother was awesome too. She ran the bookkeeping end of the business. And my grandfather was all the muscle and the brawn. So it's just an honor to work on streets that are named after people in my family. And it was an honor to work on a street that my grandfather built. And I just wanted to give you guys a little information on that.
Hey guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday, April 19th. Happy birthday, Mom. I just wanted to hop on here this morning and tell you a little bit more about Gramp. Brandon and I got home late last night and he was hoping he'd be able to edit this video last night, but we just kind of started running out of time. We worked late because we knew we had some bad weather coming in to Massachusetts today, and we most likely wouldn't be able to work. So we're just going to catch up on some things with the business today. I'm going to start getting some billing done just to have on file. We bill monthly with our company, and I like to have everything ready to go. So at the end of the month, I just send everything off. So Brandon's going to be doing some maintenance on some of our things so we can get back at it again tomorrow. So Brandon's grandfather served in the Army. He served in the Army for a couple of years. When we laid him to rest, we were given a flag, and the flag was given to his oldest son, David Burnt, and David actually ended up giving it to Brandon and myself. We were so honored to receive this flag because there are some other family members in our family who are much older than us that they could have given it to, but I was literally blown away when they gave us this flag. I'm so happy that we have it. We have it in our living room here, and it's just so nice sometimes to just sit in here and look at this, and just, I don't have as many memories with Gramp. He passed away only a few years after Brandon and I met, but I know how important he was to Brandon's family. We hear so many stories about everything he did, his work ethic and everything, and I just know that everything that Brandon and I are doing, he would be so proud of us to know that we're self-employed now and kind of following on with that family tradition and legacy. Same thing for our kids. We're trying to teach them young too, that tradition. It's really hard to find that nowadays in this day and age. Some kids don't really like to have that work ethic, not speaking for all, but some don't. So Brandon and I are really trying to teach them young and pass on this business to them and stuff like that. So I just wanted to give you guys a view of the flag here. Brandon's cousin actually made this box here for the flag for us, so we can have it nicely preserved here in our living room. And there's the tag down there, Ernest R. Burnt Sr. He was born on June 11th, 1922, and he passed away March 22nd, 2017.